Market. It's like a shopping mall with a hole in the middle. This is it. We're here to have a bit of a look around and then we'll grab something to eat. Well, there's not much I can say about Market. It's just another shopping mall. But now we're just outside Market and we're at a place called Fiesta Market, which you can see behind me. And it's there that I think we'll find Buddys Pancit Lucban, where we can have a Habhab Pancit. So let's see if we can find it. There's lots of tiny little food stalls that all look pretty interesting, really. The Baksilog, Rita's Authentic Pancit Malabon, Diabano. This is the place, just here, that we've come to see. I'm just asking this lovely lady, what's your name?
Rita, sir.
Rita?
Yes, sir.
Rita, I'm Marshall.
Yes,
I'm just asking Rita what Habhab means. It's a toughie. It's a tough question.
Okay, sir. When you eat Habhab, sir, it means you eat
With your hands?
yes, sir.
Yeah.
With,
So you pick up the banana leaf and you eat?
yes,
Yeah,
sir.
right. And that's Habhab.
Direct into your mouth, sir.
And that's the meaning of Habhab? Right, okay. All right. Well, can I have the Pancit Habhab,
Yes, sir.
please?
Good for 2 to 3 persons.
240 pesos, and it's good for 3 people. She's showing me their best seller, whatever that is. Oh, it's a cake.
Yes, sir. Banana cassava cake.
It's a cassava cake.
Yes, sir.
Well, it looks very nice, but I've just ordered Pancit Lucban for
Yes,
3
Pancit
people,
Lucban.
and I'm 1. So I'll eat as much as I can of the Lucban, and I might buy one of those later. How much are they?
This, sir?
Cassava cake, yeah.
85 pesos, sir. 85 pesos.
85 pesos.
Yes, sir.
All right, I'll think about that later. Thank you. As you heard Rita say, the Pancit Lucban is served on a banana leaf, and then you sort of pick up the banana leaf. This is what's brought me here. You pick up the banana leaf and eat the noodles and everything that's inside. Because where it was developed, the origin of the dish, people wouldn't have used eating utensils. And so, yeah, so we'll eat it in the traditional way. After lunch, I'm going back to the barangay hall and I'm going to get a travel pass. And then on Monday, hopefully, because we're on the brink of a lockdown in Manila at the moment, hopefully on Monday, I'll be able to grab a bus to Nasugbu and I hopefully can spend 4 nights in a resort down there. It all depends on what happens in the next couple of days, and maybe also at the barangay hall, maybe they'll say no, we can't issue any travel passes, but I don't think so. I don't think so yet. So maybe we'll be able to get to Nasugbu just before travel is stopped and we go into lockdown. So this is Fiesta Market and we're just waiting for our Pancit Lucban. So I thought I'd go for a bit of a wander. Looks like it's got quite a large organic section. Oh, and then it's got regional produce. Not terribly much to distinguish it from any other market, except this regional produce that they have here, which is quite interesting. Bulacan, Cebu, Rizal. What's Rizal famous for? What kind of food is Rizal famous for? Sticky rice. Yeah? And that one, which is like a coloured sticky rice, is it? Oh, thank you. Oh, I'm hungry. Palawan. What's Palawan famous for? What food is it famous for?
This one, sir, kasoy and calamansi with honey. Dalandan with honey.
Calamansi
Yeah,
with honey.
yeah, with honey. In this one, kasoy.
Oh, cashews.
Kasoy.
All right. All right, thank you. And Davao in Mindanao. All right, this is it. Pancit Lucban. With some vinegar. Absolutely piping hot. Another condiment here, which is, I'd say it's a product of the stock. Pour a bit of this over it. Yeah. There. Buddies, yeah. It's a Pancit Lucban. Yeah. This is far too big to pick up with my hands, and it's too hot. So, and it's too hot. I was hoping that I could pick it up and eat it, but it's really nice. Pancit Lucban, also known as Pancit Habhab, is a bold and full-flavoured noodle dish. After pork belly strips and liver have been fried off, dried Mickey Lucban noodles are then added and cooked in the rich sauce from the reduced pork juices and soup stock, soaking up all that intense flavour. Add sautéed sayote, pechay, shredded carrot, garlic and onion, and it's no wonder this Quezon Province dish is sending my taste buds to heaven. Chris Ramos, we had a vinegar with it, which I actually didn't use the vinegar, but I used all of the other one which was in here, which was the soup, the sauce, yeah, that it came with, which was really nice. I'll take it home, I'll have it for dinner, and I've got vinegar at home, so I'll put a little bit of vinegar on it when I eat it at home. But thank you, Chris. That was absolutely delicious. Market. I've got my take-home Pancit Lucban and 240 pesos. That's not bad. It literally would feed 3 for lunch, no problem. So I'd really like a coffee. Right. See if we can find a decent coffee. Oh, I'm so full. I've walked into the BGC pedestrian mall area. And I'm looking for a Starbucks. I find with most of the chain stores that their coffee is just undrinkable. And unless I can get to the independent little shops, coffee shops that I know about, the only one that I can bear is, believe it or not, Starbucks. And the only coffee of theirs that I can tolerate is a short latte, because otherwise they put too much milk in it. And I believe there's a rumor going around that there's a Starbucks down here somewhere, but apparently it's on that side, but we have to walk on this side, so we'll have to do a U-turn at some stage and come back. So this is the official two-way turning point. So I've got my short latte with 1 brown sugar, made with the milk heated to 150 degrees. Not bad. That's it for Buddys Pancit Lucban, which was just delicious. I've lost my noodles. The moisture sort of chewed through the cardboard and they all spilled out into the plastic bag. So unfortunately it had to go in the bin, which is very disappointing. However, I do have my Starbucks coffee and I am in BCG. So I think I'll just have a wander through the trees and finish my coffee.